Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR connection reset error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we checked the Google forum and there was a suggestion that you can disable any browser extension that is causing the problem. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and go to Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension, disable it first and then consider removing it. Now, what do I mean by a problematic extension? Mostly unverified third party extensions or VPNs or ad blockers, etc. Okay, so this should fix it, and if it does not, then search for Chrome once again and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then go to reset settings, restore settings to their default value, reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.